Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm with the Woodcrafters. This is one of the products that we make. This is our cutting board. It's all hardwood. It has maple, mahogany, and purple heart. We love the purple heart. We think that really is a beautiful. None of this is stained. This is all the original wood, exactly the way it looks when we put it together. It's all glued together, clamped together, so it stays together. Has 4 rubber feet on it, so it stays put wherever you put it. We also put this well in here that you can put your bowl in. But what this says is, thank you, veterans. It has an American flag. You can actually count the stars on that flag. We do that with our CNC. It does a terrific job of bringing out every detail in that flag. We actually make this in 11.5 by 18. But my son was in the Army, and he's out now, but he does all his meal prep on the weekend. So what he does, I made him a longer one that's 24 inches long. He puts his bowl in here, then he has all kinds of room here to chop stuff, cut stuff up, whatever he wants to do to be able to put it into that. But that really gives you a nice area there that you don't have to worry about the bowl sliding off. We also use a wax with mineral spirits. It's a compound that we make, and we put it on. It keeps it looking good like this all the time. The knife blades don't cut it as bad. It really looks nice, and then you can actually chew on this because it won't hurt you. It's food safe, won't hurt your food, won't hurt anything. So it's really a great product for you to be able to give your veterans at this time of year, and we have it for sale at Etsy. When you're not using this, it makes a great display to set on your counter. It's really a beautiful product. This is also a great looking serving board. You can see how much room you have to put stuff on it. And then you still get to use your American flag there. I wanted to show you this here. We use these as like a catch-all type bowl. You can put your keys in it. You can put your pocket knife, whatever you'd like in it, your glasses. It's the same thing, the American flag, made out of the same woods. This is purple heart, walnut, and mahogany. So it's made exactly the same way. You can see the back of it's just solid wood. We also make these in 2 different sizes, a 6-inch and an 8-inch. We can also engrave whatever you'd like in there. A person's name, a scripture. We do a lot of scriptures in them. So we can do just about anything on that. I made this one to honor first responders. But you can see how nice the flag is. Like I said, you can count every star. You can see every stripe on that.